In this video, let us discuss on Smith chart like calculators and so many tabular methods. Here we have a Smith chart which has been developed to simplify the transmission line calculations. With this Smith chart, without using calculator, we can simplify. We can find the required parameters by using the Smith chart. So let us see what exactly this Smith chart is. In this, resistive component R and reactive component X are represented in a circle form. The resistive components alone form the set of circles and reactive components alone form the set of circles. By superimposing these two circles, we get the Smith chart. Using Smith chart, we can calculate the input impedance, reflection coefficient, SWR extra without using formula. We know the reflection coefficient K equal to Zr minus Z0 by Zr plus Z0. Dividing numerator and denominator with Z0, K equal to Zr by Z0 minus 1 by Zr by Z0 plus 1. Let Z small r equal to Zr by Z0, where Z small r is the normalized load impedance. Therefore, K equal to Zr minus 1 by Zr plus 1. Therefore, Zr into K minus 1 equal to minus into K plus 1. From this small Zr From this, z small r equal to 1 plus k by 1 minus k. Since zr and k are complex, let us represent zr with r plus jx and k with kr plus jkx. Therefore, r plus jx equal to kr plus jkx plus 1, 1 minus kr plus jkx equal to 1 plus kr plus jkx divided by 1 minus kr minus jkx. Rationalize r plus jx equal to 1 plus kr plus jkx divided by 1 minus kr minus jkx into 1 minus kr plus jkx by 1 minus kr plus jkx. Equating real and imaginary parts, r equal to 1 minus kr square minus kx square by 1 minus kr square plus kx square, and x equal to 2kx by 1 minus kr plus kx square, 1 minus kr square plus kx square. Consider r equal to 1 minus kr square minus kx square by 1 minus kr whole square plus kx square, 1 minus kr whole square into r plus kx square into r equal to 1 minus kr square minus kx square. 1 plus kr square minus 2kr into r plus kx square into r minus 1 plus kr square plus kx square equal to 0. Kr square into 1 plus r plus kx square into 1 plus r minus 2kr equal to 1 minus r. Kr square plus kx square minus 2kr into r by 1 plus r equal to 1 minus r by 1 plus r. Add r square by 1 plus r whole square on both sides. Kr square plus kx square minus 2kr into r by 1 plus r square by 1 plus r whole square equal to 1 minus r by 1 plus r plus r square by 1 plus r whole square. Kr minus r by 1 plus r whole square plus kx square equal to 1 by 1 plus r whole square, which is the equation for circle with radius 1 by r and center r by 1 plus r 0. So for r equal to 0, the radius is 1 and center is 0, 0. The circle is as shown. Similarly, for r equal to 1, the radius is 0.5, center is 0.50. The circle is as shown. By observing the figure, we can say that if for any value of r, the circle touches at 1, 0 by taking kr on x-axis and kx on y-axis. Now take x equal to 2kx by 1 minus kr whole square plus kx square. Simplifying this, divide with x and add 1 by x square on both sides. We get kr minus 1 whole square plus kx minus 1 by x whole square equal to 1 by x square, which also form a circle with radius 1 by x and center 1 comma 1 by x. For x equal to infinity, the radius of the circle is 0 and center of the circle is 1 comma 0. The circle is as shown in figure. For x equal to 0, the radius of the circle is infinity and center is 1 comma infinity, which is a straight line, kx line. By superimposing the above two circles, we get the Smith chart as shown. The complete Smith chart. The following points are to be noted about the Smith chart. At point PSC on the chart, r equal to 0, x equal to 0, that is zr equal to 0 plus j0, showing that PSC represents a short circuit on the transmission line. At point POC, r equal to infinity and x equal to infinity, that is zr equal to infinity plus z infinity, which implies that POC corresponds to open circuit on the line. Moving along the circle in a clockwise direction indicates that moving in a transmission line from load to generator side. Moving in anti-clockwise direction indicates in transmission line moving from generator to the load side. The outer circle in Smith chart represents the distance in terms of wavelength from the load. A complete revolution 360 degrees around the Smith chart represents a distance of lambda by 2 on the line. Therefore, lambda distance on the line corresponds to 520 degrees. A complete revolution 360 degrees around the Smith chart represents a distance of lambda by 2. Therefore, lambda distance on the line corresponds to a 520 degrees moment on the chart, that is lambda tends to 720. 720 degrees moment on the chart, that is lambda tends to 720. Vmax occurs where Zin max is located on the chart, and that is on the positive kr axis or on OPC. V minimum is located at the point where we have Zin minimum on the chart, that is on the negative kr axis, or on OPSC. The Vmax and V minimum are lambda by 4 apart. So this is Smith chart. Here the resistance circles and the reactive circles are superimposed, with which we get the complete Smith chart. If we move in the clockwise direction, it is nothing but you are moving in the transmission line from load into the generator. If we move in anti-clockwise direction, it is nothing but you are moving from sending into the load in a transmission line.